Okay, number 11. Find AC. AC is the segment. That's from point A to point C. So that is, segment AC is the same thing as little b. So this could really, instead of saying instead of saying find AC, it's find little b. So little b, looking at this is a side, the angle in between you have, and you have the other side. So this is a side angle side. Got to use the law of cosines. If we're finding little b by the formula, b equals the square root of a squared plus c squared minus 2ac cosine 118 degrees, the square root of that. So that's easy enough. Let me throw this in there. We've got little a is 14, little c is 24. So this is going to be the square root of little a is 14, 14 squared plus 24 squared minus 2 times 14 times 24 times the cosine of 118 degrees. So using my calculator on here, I might do things a little weird because it's a little bit different kind of calculator. I'm going to do 14. Where's the squared? Squared. Oh, that's 1 squared, so that's not right. 14 squared plus 24 squared. 24 squared minus 2 times 14 times 24 times 1/8 cosine equals, that's everything underneath the radical. I still take the square root, so boom, square root 32.977, which rounded to the nearest tenth. We're still rounding this to the nearest tenth. 32, that's going to be, this 7 makes that go 1 up, so it's going to be 33. So B equals 33.0. If you just put 33, that's fine. So that's all I want. Reminder that those are the instructions. Where were they? Right there. Find each measurement indicated, round your answers to the nearest tenth. So going back down to this, to the nearest tenth, that's 33.0 or 33 units. This one, let me go back up a little bit. BC, once again, BC is segment B to C, so that's little a. So instead of writing BC, I should have written little a. Anyhow, this is a side angle side. So it's law of cosines. So little a equals the square root of b squared plus c squared minus 2bc cosine 95 degrees. Anyhow, when you do this, little b is 25, little b, little c is 21. So when I put this in there, that's 25 squared plus 21 squared minus 2 times 25 times 21 times the cosine of 95 degrees. And with my calculator, I have to do all this first, and then I have to take the square root afterwards. So this was the last answer that we had. I'm going to clear everything. I'm going to add 25 squared plus 21 squared minus 2 times 25 times 21 times 95 cosine equals, that's everything underneath the radical. I have to take the square root, so there it is, 34.02, rounded to the nearest tenth, that's 34.0. So A is equal to 34.0, or just plain old 34.